cow skin. Now I'm gonna cut up my cow skin and clean it up. Now my cow skin is cleaned up and washed. Now I'm gonna season it. I'm gonna add in some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Add in some jerk seasoning. Add in some Maggi chicken seasoning. Now I'm gonna add in some hot pepper, garlic and onion. Then I'm gonna add some curry. Not adding any salt because a lot of salt already in the seasoning. Now I'm gonna stir it up. Now I'm gonna add a little oil, not much, just a little. Add in 2 pieces of garlic. Now I'm gonna add some curry. Shaking up that it burn. Now I'm gonna add my cow skin. Give it a stir. I'm gonna add some water to pressure the cow skin. Covering my pot to pressure. Now it's finished pressuring. Now I'm gonna add all my natural seasoning. Carrot, sweet pepper, onion. Add in all of them. Giving it a stir. You can see my cow skin dried down a bit. Now I'm gonna add some broad bean. Give it a stir. And here my curry cow skin and broad bean is finished. Now look on it. Look on the gravy, guys. Nice and rich. Look on it. Finally finished. And this is my curry cow skin and broad bean. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Thanks for watching.